Young King attack again in a J Prince. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. And today we are in Inpha Reblitive. Yes, man, Inpha Reblitive with question. This is a part 1. It's an official music video. So big up the production team here and I want to make a jump in the one and here with the G. I say, oh, big up me J Mafia. We point me to the artist. I say, oh, bad artist. So I could jump in the one and see with the G. I say, let's go, man, let's go. Let's go. Snow a draw, Bongi a draw, Hardy pull up. Guava, go on. Prince Guava, them. Bumbo clot. A dream was a dream. And a dream she a dream though.
At the Reblitive. You know, so me jump out of my sleep, cause my dream see I fuck a man overseas.
That you really come over?
Yeah, man, come on, if you're serious about we.
The fucking they go on a real life, Mitchie.
What if you find out my lifestyle, a chopper life? If me kill me father killers, would it be my alibi? If me get shot up and paralyzed, would you leave for another guy? If me wrong, me apologize.
What on? If I hear all those atrocious things about me, if I hear them talk a bag of things about me, we can still have the Bonnie and Clyde relationship? Eh? We can still have that one? What one? Talk to me. You got a production team. Too much out for big up the whole out.
At the Reblitive. You know, so me jump out of my sleep, cause my dream see I fuck a man overseas.
Right,
That you really come over?
Yeah, man, come on, if you're serious about we.
Honestly?
What if you find out my lifestyle, a chopper life? If me kill me father killers, would it be my alibi? If me get shot up and paralyzed, would you leave for another guy? If me wrong, me apologize. Adjust me past, make me paranoid. Me no lucky with people when me analyze. Can you be my peace and my paradise? Can you give me loyalty over love? Try NHD, cause me no sure I trust you.
Hey! What you say you can do? You can give me loyalty over love? You can't do that for me? I have 1,000,001 question for you. Let me fix my talk phone though. Big up Prince Guava, man. See that? Big up Prince Guava. See that?
At the Reblitive.
Bumbuckler. One.
You know, so me jump out of my sleep, cause my dream see I fuck a man overseas.
Yeah,
That
just
you
like
really come
that.
over?
Yeah, man, come on, if you're serious about we.
Honestly?
What if you find out my lifestyle, a chopper life? If me kill me father killers, would it be my alibi? If me get shot.
If me kill me father killers. If me kill me father killers. You don't have a problem with that, no. No, mama, talk it true. You don't have a problem with that, no.
A chopper life. If me kill me father killers, would it be my alibi? If me get shot up and paralyzed, would you leave for another guy? If me wrong, me apologize. Adjust me past, make me paranoid. Me no lucky with people when me analyze. Can you be my peace and my paradise? Can you give me loyalty over love? Try NHT, cause me no sure I trust. Your pussy good like gold, you know, but me no sure of me alone make you open up. If Infa call Mocha on me, get caught with gun and leads, would you hold it down for me?
More than likely, yeah, she said, well, relax with that. More than likely, no, she not gonna do it. More than likely, no, she not gonna do it. Them, let me tell you this. Them girls that we're building nowadays is not like the old-time ladies, them. Them girls, they have too much choices. Them DM full. Man, a slide and drop in a DM, ban them face, boop. Them have only put choices. Not saying all of the girls them is like that, but most of them is.
Caught with gun and leads, would you hold it down for me? Hold it down for me. Here say me have a girl at town a breed. Would you love that child for me? I know.
No. You ask for too much now, Infa. You ask for too much now. Have girl a town a breed. And you their country. If she a gonna love the child for you? No, me G. You ask too much. Too much question, we not gonna get the right answer.
Girl a town a breed. Would you love that child for me? I know town a breed. Would you love?
Let's take a step back here for compliment Mama and her clean skin. Clean skin, man. Clean skin.
That child for me. And hold it down for me. Hold it down. Do you love me for real or pretend to? Who first you call when you rent due? Would you be my bedroom freak if me end up a Bellevue? I burn me like rose breadfruit. What if I am the villain, not the hero of Bellevue? I burn me like rose breadfruit.
Mama, you gonna hold it down if he mad out and end up a Bellevue? Or you gonna burn him like rose breadfruit? Blood clot! Oh, the man, what are the man?
Bedroom freak if me end up a Bellevue. I burn me like rose breadfruit. What if I am the villain, not the hero? What if my bank account says sub-zero? If on your birthday me ask you for a threesome, would you tell me get lost like Nemo? Could you be?
Yo, you fuck. Him bad, you fuck. Infa bad, you fuck. Yo. Some metaphors and similes with the G I use, brother.
Ask you for a threesome, would you tell me get lost like Nemo? Could you be the bunny to my Clyde? Would you kill for me like Chucky and him bride? What if me get 35 to life? Would you fuck the dirty judge just to make me slide?
Oh, I'm gonna say no. We have video. How are you? We are take picture.
You say you love me and it's growing strong, but if me need a surgery, I value a couple $100,000 grand. Would you sell your pussy for only fans for me?
Would you sell your pussy for only... Ladies, would you sell your pussy for only fans if you know say your man wants some money to do a life-threatening surgery? Would you sell your pum-pum for only fans if you make him get the surgery done? Eh? But saying that, you have some money, you know. After a girl go out, they go sell them pussy for only fans, you know. When him get the surgery and get better, him no want her again, you know. Him no want her again, you know. Cause him a go say, yo, me can't live with that pussy that get beat up, you know.
Would you sell your pussy for only fans for me?
Yo, mistress, see the phone go clap where I fuck on you. Inside, you know. You see it? Yeah, man.
That you want here now?
If Infa...
Hold on, let me cuss you.
Would you sell your pussy for only fans for me?
Yo, mistress.
Look for your blood clot teeth missing like when zinc missing out a fence. Look for your teeth. How you are carrying news, Manny G? He? Look for your board head. He? Look for your neck long and mag and favor garland. He? Look for your blood clot must come into all deep. Like if water touch it, it just settle in there. How you gonna carry news? He? What you do that for? What is the benefit you? I'm curious to see. Let's move on.
Mistress, see the phone go clap where I fuck on you.
Oh, but by the way, Mama, it's nothing personal. I'm just analyzing your character that you're playing in a day. You understand? So big up yourself. But I see my road and do me nothing. Please, can you look bad?
Inside, you know. You see it? Yeah, man.
If Infa call Mocha on me, get caught with gun and leads, would you hold it down for me? Hold it down for me. Here say me have a girl at town a breed. Could you love that child for me?
Definitely.
And hold it down for me. Hold it down. If you find out enough in me markets, me not pay mortgage cause me jobless. Could you love me regardless? How would you treat me like the past tense? Could you be the bunny to my Clyde? Would you kill for me like Chucky and him bride? What if me get 35 to life? Would you fuck the dirty judge just to make me slide?
What if you get 25 to life? Would you fuck the dirty judge? If you make him slide off of the case. Tell it us. Yeah, she'd have probably fucked the judge, but she'd have probably left you for the judge and gone too. Cause the judge and the shot caller. Yeah, the listener.
If me get 35 to life, would you fuck the dirty judge just to make me slide? If Infa call Mocha on me, get caught with gun and links. Hold it down for me. Hold it down for me. Here to me, I'm a girl. That child for me. Hold it down for me. Hold it down.
I got a full of man like football team to pussy club.
A bumbo clock girl I pre like him when I drive go over yard, you know.
To be continue. To be continue. Prince go have a real side man, you know. Prince go have a real side man, you know. Big up yourself, Guava. Big up yourself, G. Yo! What do you think what I want to do? What do you think what I want to? First time reacting to the G talented, the G crazy. If you know on the second part, because obviously there is a second part on him channel. If you want the second part of this, let me know and make you go do a reaction to it because there is a story that it have a storyline. All right, let me just take my time out to apologize to the female in the video we carry the news. Don't worry, don't take it personal. Me know say me cuss you a while ago, me never have to cuss you so hard. But you come actually deep for true. But don't take it personal. I don't know nothing personal here. Yes, I don't know nothing personal. I'm just analyzing and reacting what I see. You never have to do that. You never have to do that. You understand? So yeah, big up yourself, mama. Do you understand? Yeah, you know what thing, man. Real linky, man. Wireless. Yeah, man. Yo, Inpha Reblitive, big up yourself, my G. Bad. Naka Productions. Big up yourself. World production team, big up on yourself. If you want the second part of this, let me know. I'm going to jump in there. Let me say, I'm a bridging point me to this. You see me? The artist, they even know say me do this film. So, let me know what you guys think and let me know if you want to see some more of the Jeep on the channel. You see me? Yes, I'll catch you guys in the next time. Peace.
A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for JAMAICA'S game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. I know what that. About to miss a cap a lot, you know.